Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be preparing some frozen treats for Wes, and I'm also going to be trying a new trick I found on a Facebook group. It's for like enrichment, and tomorrow it's supposed to rain all day, so I thought I would try it out. I just ran to the supermarket and I picked up low-fat, all-natural Greek yogurt. I have some coconut oil. I have some natural peanut butter. I have some unsweetened applesauce. And then I have some strawberries and blueberries. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I'm making these. This is my first time making these. I'm loosely following recipes I found online, and I'll put the recipes in the description. First, I'm going to try to make this strawberry blueberry smoothie treat. I'm gonna put some of them in these like silicone molds. These are like, we bought these like years ago to make like brownie pops or whatever. So I just washed the strawberries. I have a blender here. So I'm just gonna chop them, and honestly, I'm not gonna go by the measurements. I'm just gonna, I don't know, I'm just gonna wing it. Hopefully they turn out good. But yeah, so right now when I'm filming this, it is January 15th, I think. Yep. And I'm hopefully going back to school soon. Again, anything could change at any moment, which is kind of stressful, but hopefully everything will be okay. And I'm really hoping to go back because, as some of you already know, I am a senior, and so this is my last semester in undergrad. And it was really nice to be on campus and see my friends and everything, but I don't know, I'm trying not to get my hopes up too much, just in case. The strawberries are in. I am actually going to try using coconut oil for the first time. I've been reading a lot about it and its benefits for dogs, and Wes actually has like dry elbows, and someone suggested giving him a little bit of coconut oil to help with the skin. So we're going to attempt to use it. So it's pretty solid. So I'm going to get a little bowl. Okay, and I have a tablespoon measure. Oh wow, this is a lot softer than I thought it would be. Okay, so I have a little more than a tablespoon right here. Okay, so I'm putting that into the microwave for like 10 seconds. Okay, that actually worked pretty well. It's mostly liquidy. I'm gonna wait to add that in. Okay, now I'm doing a banana. I'm cutting that up and I'm gonna add it to the blender. So here is what this looks like. I'm going to open up my yogurt. I'm gonna take 1/3 of a cup. Oh, look at me. Good. Good job, Emily. Gross. Okay. A hefty 1/3 of a cup. I feel like this might be too thick, but I don't really want to add water. Now we're gonna blend this for a little. Okay. it's like chunky, I'm going to put in the coconut oil. I put in about half of the coconut oil. Scrape this side through. This is what it looks like. Okay, and now I'm going to put some of that in here, and I think I'm gonna put maybe 1 scoop into one of these. So now I'm going to make a blueberry banana smoothie. So for this, I'm using 3/4 of a cup of blueberries, half a banana, and 3/4 of a cup of yogurt. I'm gonna add that right into the blender. Okay, now I'm gonna cut up another banana. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of water to this as well. Okay, now I'm once again gonna be filling one of these muffin tin things with some of this. And then I'm gonna put some more in these little brownie silicone things. Now I'm gonna make something lighter to fill the rest of the muffin tins. Okay. So I added my blueberries and water into the blender, and I'm gonna open this unsweetened applesauce. Okay. I'm just gonna kind of spoon this in. Okay, this is super watery, so I'm gonna pour it into the muffin tin. Okay, so for the last recipe, I'm gonna try to cut down the amount of each ingredient because I'm running out of space in these silicone trays. But this is a peanut butter peanut butter, banana, coconut oil, a little bit of yogurt treat. So the other half of the coconut oil that I heated up solidified again, so I'm just gonna put that back in the microwave for 10 seconds. I'm going to put the other half of the banana that I cut up earlier in here. I'm gonna open up the peanut butter. Put a nice big spoon of that in. I'm gonna put a tiny bit of yogurt in just to add some more substance to it. Okay, so this one is a lot thicker than the others, and I made a lot less of it. So now I'm just going to fill the rest of these in. Okay, so that actually made the perfect amount somehow. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what these look like. Okay, and I'm just gonna stick them in the freezer. I will probably try one of the smaller ones tonight with Wes, and then tomorrow I'm gonna give him the cupcake tin, muffin tin, and I'm gonna film that so we can see if it worked. Okay, so it is the same day. I have one of the strawberry banana yogurt treats, and we're gonna see if Wes likes it. Wait. Okay. Oh, okay. Sir. Sir, the treat's over there. Okay, he's lying down. I would say this is a good recipe. Wes would give it a thumbs up. Okay, everyone, so here's how the muffin tin turned out. Wait, Wes. I'm gonna have him eat it on a towel. Wait. And yeah, this is a lot. Most of it is like the applesauce, diluted applesauce mixture, except this one and this one. Wait. So I'll probably take it away when he's had like half, because it's a lot. But yeah, okay, Wes. Okay. He's trying them all.